Let's face it, a seamless Salesforce data migration requires well-designed transfer plan and an automated migration tool. So, let's go through the preparation steps and demo migration to Salesforce Service Cloud. First, you need to create corresponding custom fields. Then add the same agents as you have on your source platform. After that, turn off notifications and phone duplication. Now, let's start Salesforce Demo Migration. Sign into your Migration Wizard account. If you don't have one, create it with email or suitable social media. Then connect your source platform. You need to provide access credentials or undergo OAuth authentication. Connect Salesforce Service Cloud as your target platform. Just sign in with your Salesforce account. Then choose the data you want to import. Next, match agents' profiles. While matching, you can also pick a default agent on Salesforce. Moving forward, map ticket fields. When migrating to Salesforce Service Cloud, you can map both default and custom fields. Do it carefully to preserve data relations. When you're done, press Save to apply the settings. Then map article fields. After that, you can choose the automated options to customize demo migration. Your options will depend on both source and target platforms. When you're ready, press Continue to start demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Salesforce Service Cloud during this data transfer. When your demo migration finishes, you will see a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. When everything looks great, choose the needed support plan and proceed to payment. Now you can initiate the full data migration.